Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Morrowind on Android. First, you will need a legal copy of the game for PC. We will use OpenMW, an open-source engine that allows the game to run natively on modern devices. This process involves transferring game files and setting up the application. It's a fantastic way to revisit V. Vardenfell on the go, offering improved stability and customization options compared to the original game. To begin, ensure you own a copy of Morrowind for your computer, available from platforms like Steam or GOG. Once installed, locate the entire Morrowind game folder on your PC. This folder contains all necessary game data. Next, download the OpenMW Android application package, or APK. This is the game engine for your mobile device, not the game itself, and is crucial for running Morrowind on Android. Now, connect your Android device to your computer and transfer the complete Morrowind game folder. It is recommended to create a new, easily accessible folder on your device, perhaps named Morrowind, to store these files. This transfer can take up to 30 or 40 minutes due to the many small files. After the transfer, use a file manager on your Android device to locate and install the OpenMW APK you downloaded earlier. Once OpenMW is installed, launch the application. You will need to point it to the Morrowind game folder you transferred. In the settings, consider adjusting the UI scaling factor, perhaps to 2 or 2.5, for better readability on smaller screens. For smoother gameplay, set the physics frames per second to at least 30 for mid-tier devices or 60 for stronger ones. Now, you are ready to start a new game and explore the vast world of V. Vardenfell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.